saka hatimire abuda offside mundi chipire saka hatimire abuda offside mundi chipire saka paziso regondo ndipo paita kuti vanhu vese vaite hasha ipo paziso regondo paita kuti vamwe vacho vasare vane ukasha saka paziso regondo ndipo paita kuti vanhu vese vaite hasha ipo paziso regondo paita kuti.
Hey yo, this is Lance. That's Lance. Pick up Ziso Regondo. 180 chinakirwa. Ziso Regondo.
Hi, my name is Maria and I want to say Ziso Regondo ndizvo munofaya.
Hey, Ziso Regondo. Ni hao. Happy first anniversary. I wish you all the best.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.
Ipo Ziso Regondo. Ndipo paita kuti vanhu vaita. Big up yourself, man like Abra Skimbo. Straight at H tonal. Usadaro Skimbo.
You wanna miss a fire, Mr. Speaker, me say. Check. My name is DJ Fire Speaker, representing Ziso Regondo TV. 1 year tichikuona itinema kuwa enda tizvivanze. Boom!
Hello guys, this is Primrose. I just want to say happy birthday to Ziso Regondo TV. Keep watching and keep supporting Ziso Regondo TV. Big up Skimbo. Big up to all Ziso Regondo fans. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Lati and I'm a Ziso Regondo TV fan, and I just want to say happy birthday to Ziso Regondo TV and say keep it up guys. We love you.
Yo, what up? It's your boy Lil Chill. Just wanna say big up to Skimbo Ziso Regondo TV. I just wanna say, man, this is a good thing, man. I mean, 1 year? It's been long, man. It's been long, bruh. It's been sick.
Yo, Ziso Regondo. It's your boy Abed right here. Just wanna give a shout out to Skimbo. Salute you, man.
Yo, it's your boy H Bone. Yo, salute to Ziso Regondo TV. 1 year. Peace.
I am Dara Skimbo. I mean, keep the fire burning and never give up. Me say so, man umnyarat out a gangwa lodge. Good too.
Kwese takungonza mdara Skimbo. Keep the fire burning mdara. Meite, I am Simbarashe mzazi pagangwa. Tiripo mdara. Sando dzeni.
Big up Ziso Regondo TV. Msamiro mchitipa news abuzimuro nakidza musotitira big timers, yeah. So Computer Entertainment says big up, enough respect. Boom.
Saka hatimire abuda offside mundi chipire saka hatimire abuda offside mundi chipire saka paziso regondo ndipo paita kuti vanhu vese vaite hasha ipo paziso regondo paita kuti vamwe vacho vasare vane ukasha saka paziso regondo ndipo paita kuti vanhu vese vaite hasha ipo paziso regondo